Today, I am going to share with you 5 habits, 5 mantras, 5 philosophies, however you want to call it, I don't care. I'm going to share 5 of those with you that helped me reach some success on Amazon. This is some stuff that you need to apply every single day. Before we start, we have a Discord server. Link in the description. Join us. Let's talk together. Let's hang out. If you have any questions regarding Amazon, ask them in a Discord. You can talk to me. I'm always hanging out over there. However, for the subscribers, ever since we got the Discord, you guys do not even comment anymore in the on the videos. So bring back some comments here because it's helping with the algorithm a little bit. But still, like, you can still comment a little bit here and then hang out with us on the Discord. You can do both. You will get the best of both worlds, right? So whatever. Let's start. The first thing you should do is keep new leads, keep finding new leads every single day. You need to keep them coming every single day. So at the top of the funnel in your business, the first input that gets into your business, the output being money coming into your account. The first thing, the most important thing, the thing that is at the top is finding new leads, and you will then put those leads in the machine, and then you will transform those leads into actual inventory that you will buy and stuff like that, and you will sell them, then it turns into money. So since it's the top of the funnel, it must be your top priority. Oh my god, how did I say that? You are going to need to have new leads coming every single day. There are so many products on Amazon that you are never going to run out of opportunities. You are never going to be able to go through every single ASIN that is on Amazon. So keep new leads coming every single day. What I do personally today is I still monitor websites every single day. So I will go through a list of websites, my personal list of websites every single day and see what's going on over there. But every single day now, I do reverse sourcing and I try to find 5 new leads every single day doing reverse sourcing. So even if I monitor all my websites, I do not find anything, I have 5 new leads coming every single day. Which brings me to my second point. You need, and the second thing that you need to do every single day, you need to stay in the know. You need to know what other sellers are selling right now, what items are popping. One good way to do this is to actually do reverse sourcing. So you are going to be aware of what is selling, what other people are doing. You will be able to figure out where people are sourcing and stuff, and you need that, okay? Because things change and you will not be able to always, you're not going to sell the same product for 10 years, okay? It's just crazy. It's not going to happen. You need to learn new stuff, keep learning, keep discovering new leads, new brands, all that stuff, which brings me to it's a perfect transition, guys. Brings me to my third point. You need to stay curious. Learn new brands, learn new sourcing methods, learn new all these things, all those little tools, like all this knowledge that you discover for each brand, all those layers that you are going to add around, is going to be your competitive advantage. And I often talk about competitive advantage, but the only way to make money on the long term is to actually keep a competitive advantage. Once you lose your competitive advantage, profit does not exist on the long term, guys. If you studied business, if you studied economy, this is something that you should know. The only thing that matters is, the only thing that's important is keeping a competitive advantage, right? So that was my third point. My 4 points is look every day for products that you sold in the past that you can replan, that you can repurchase. Look for new source. It's easier to repurchase items and less risky, by the way, to repurchase items that you have already purchased and resell them. It's way easier to do that than to find new leads, right? So you should focus on that. You should focus on that a lot, but you should still keep a healthy balance and find new leads, as I said earlier. All right. So the fifth step, the last thing, the last habit you should cultivate, the last mantra, the last philosophy, whatever you want to call it, once again, is you need to document and then refine all your process, because this will bring more clarity. This will bring you more clarity in your business, and this will help you be more efficient, being able to delegate efficient. Like you're going to be able to delegate. It's going to be way easier for you to delegate, because a lot of you guys want to delegate stuff that you do not even understand fully. Like before delegating, you need to document everything so you can give your VA, your employees, whatever, all your documentation, and then so they can figure it out, they can be trained and stuff. But if you yourself does not even understand, if you cannot even explain clearly how to do reverse sourcing, how to all that stuff, and if you are not able to iterate and keep improving, innovating on that stuff, you are not gonna be able to delegate, you are not gonna be able to grow. So the name of the game is being better today than you were yesterday. Oh my god, I'm all over the place, but you get the point, you get the idea. You need to document every single process, and what I'm doing today with this YouTube channel helps me a lot, bringing more clarity. So explaining some concept, explaining the business to people that are a little bit, that are newer than me, that are a little bit under me, helps me a lot, because it's forcing me to synthesize in an easily digestible way all those methods, all the things that I do, that I may do just mindlessly, and just being able to share them with you guys, whether that's on Discord or on this YouTube channel. And by the way, I also learned a lot of stuff from you guys on Discord, from tactical arbitrage stuff on tactical arbitrage that I didn't know, stuff I don't even remember everything, but just talking to you guys, I think you don't understand, you don't even realize that I also learned a lot by doing this, right? So you need to document, try to document everything, synthesize everything. A good place to do it is on the Discord. Teach some people some stuff that you just learned on Discord, on our Discord server. We are not a huge community yet, so it's a good time to create some links with people, mentor some people, and get mentored by other people that are way above you. And even from people that are under you, because like, as I said, there's people that are just starting that know some stuff that I don't know, and you can learn from anybody. So really just hang out with us on Discord, teach some stuff to some people, and try to learn as much as possible as well. And yeah, that was the last point. So join us on Discord. New video tomorrow. If you want to check another video, another one is going to show up on the screen right now. I'll see you tomorrow. Hope you like the video. Every day at 3 p.m.